Question. In a circle with center O, the central angle AOB is 60 degree. Central angle AOB is 60 degree. If the radius of the circle is 12 centimeter, what is the length of the chord AB? Radius 12 centimeter है, OA radius. तो हमें chord AB निकालना है. Given O is center of circle. Angle AOB is 60 degree. Radius of circle is 12 centimeter. Radius OA is equal to 12 centimeter. What is the length of the chord AB? To find method. In triangle OAB, OA is equal to OB, radii of same circle. Therefore, these two angles are equal. A and B are equal. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to X. Say, in triangle OAB, two sides are equal. Therefore, their opposite angles are also equal. Reason लिखेंगे angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. In triangle OAB, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Angle O plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum theorem or property. Angle AOB plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle AOB is 60 degree. 60 degree plus angle A is X. Angle B is also X degree. 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. X is equal to 120 upon 2 is equal to 60 degree. Angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 60 degree, angle O is 60 degree. Therefore, ABO is equilateral triangle. Angle A is equal to 60 degree. Angle A X value 60. Angle B is 60 degree. Angle B is equal to X equal to 60. Angle O is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, ABC is a equilateral triangle. Therefore, all the sides are equal. Therefore, AB is equal to AO is equal to 12 centimeter. OAB. Therefore, AB is equal to OA is equal to OB is equal to 12 centimeter. Answer. Question 2. Let A and B be 2 points on a circle with center O. Center of circle is O. A and B are 2 points. Are there points X, Y on the circle on the same side of AB such that AXB is different from AYB? X, Y are 2 points on the same side of AB. AXB and angle AYB these two angles are equal or unequal, same or different, we have to find. Number 1, since x and y are points on circle on the same side of AB, therefore angle AXB is equal to angle AYB. Therefore angle AXB is equal to angle AYB. Angles on the same segment are equal. Therefore answer of part 1 is no. There are no 2 points x and y on the circle such that angle AXB is different from angle AYB. Number 2, is it true that angle AXB equal to angle AYB, then XA and Y lie on the same side of the circle? Yes, it is true, because angles on the same segment are equal. यदि ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल हैं x और y, तो ए बी के सेम साइड में है क्या? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा यस. यस. Number 3, if angle AXB equal to angle AYB and x and y do not lie on the circle, thus the circle through AB and x also passes through y. यदि x और y सर्कल पर नहीं है लेकिन एंगल AXB और एंगल AYB दोनों इक्वल है, तो क्या AB और x तीनों पॉइंट्स होकर जाने वाला सर्कल y से भी होकर जाएगा? आंसर हो जाएगा यस. रीजन, एंगल्स ऑन द सेम सेगमेंट आर इक्वल. यस, द सर्कल थ्रू ए बी एंड एक्स आल्सो पासेस थ्रू वाई. क्वेश्चन 3, फाइंड एक्स इन फिगर. एक्स का वैल्यू ज्ञात करना है. ए बी सी डी सर्कल पर 4 पॉइंट्स हैं. ए बी सी डी क्वाड्रिलेटरल है और एंगल डी 100 डिग्री है. सिंस ए बी सी डी इज ए साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल, देयरफॉर अपोजिट एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री. Therefore, angle B is plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree. Angle B is X. Angle D is 100 degree. X equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. is equal to 80 degree. Answer. X is equal to 80 degree.